Welcome to the South Dakota Brin Laboratory Animal Education and Training Program. Why do scientists use animals in research? Scientists use animals to learn more about health problems that affect both humans and animals, and to assure the safety of new medical treatments. Some areas of research using animals are heart disease, retroviruses, and cancer. We in the research community expect animals to be treated with respect and dignity. We are animal welfare advocates. We have to balance the animals' rights with societal interests. There are some people who advocate no animal testing whatsoever. What are scientists doing to maximize the comfort of research animals? Comfort is a primary concern for researchers. Experiments must be pain-free, or else drugs are used to relieve discomfort. Care is given to choose the most appropriate species for every test, and a minimum number of subjects is used. Researchers are trained to act in an ethical way, and that includes the handling of research animals. Experiments are designed, planned, and conducted with strict adherence to this principle. There is vigilant oversight of animal research. The Animal Welfare Act regulates the use of animals in research, testing, and teaching. The Act requires animals to be provided humane treatment. Research facilities are required to register with the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and the USDA conducts inspection of these facilities. The Public Health Services Policy on Humane Care and Use of Laboratory Animals sets out rules for institutional animal care. It requires oversight for researchers on an institutional level, such as an IACUC. South Dakota Brin is one such entity that helps to oversee animal research. One resource for animal researchers is the Guide for the Care and Use of Laboratory Animals. It offers advice on the care and use of laboratory animals, as well as how to design and operate an animal care program that is AWA and PHS compliant. If anyone chooses to do live animal research, your institution under the Brin umbrella must have an IACUC to approve the protocols. This ensures that each investigator's protocol has met certain standards for animal use and care. All researchers must also complete approved training in this area. The American Veterinary Medical Association supplies many helpful resources. Here are a few of them. A link to their website is available on our website under the Undergrad Fellows Training Resources tab. Here are some of the policies that come under the direction of your institution's IACUC. They range from care and use of the animals to how non-researchers may interface with the animals. As researchers, we must be aware of and take precautions to avoid zoonosis, or the transfer of infectious diseases from animals to humans. Specific training on animal handling will help you in this area. What do you need to remember to do before you do your animal's research protocol? Your institution will have rules and regulations specific to their animal facility. Questions about where it is located, access, and accoutrements can be directed to the facility manager or your mentor. Check with your supervisor about what supplies you will need to bring for your procedure. These should be outlined in your protocol. Scientists are always looking for ways to replace animals with other research methods. If animals are necessary, researchers seek to refine experimental techniques and to reduce the number of animals needed to produce valid results. Cell and tissue cultures, computer modeling, and studies using non-vertebrates are some examples. South Dakota Brin would like to thank Melanie Clark, Director of the USD Animal Research Center, for the source materials for this module.